Hello, my name is John Bixler. I'm a senior geology major here at SUNY Potsdam. Today we're looking at thin sections of metamorphic rocks, which is basically a thin cut section of rock to about 30 microns thick, and you basically look at the optical properties to help identify the mineral and get a sense of what's going on. Geology is essentially the study of the Earth and Earth processes and anything related to the planet that we live on and other planets as well. I decided to come to SUNY Potsdam because I have a background. I'm from Saranac Lake near the Adirondacks, and I figured it'd be a good outlet to the Adirondacks, which is a great place to study geology and to really get a feel for nature. Things here in Timerman have been renovated, and there's good energy here, and there's lots of hands-on learning. We get out pretty much every lab period when the weather's not awful. We get outside and go look at stuff in the field, so it's a lot of applied learning and experiential learning for sure.